Hello. I'm Ver studying game development with you guys. In this video, we will learn about the Quixel Bridge and MegaScan assets provided by Epic Games. Quixel Bridge is a program that provides high-quality 3D models and 2D textures created by direct scanning of objects and makes them easy to use in the engine. Originally offered by a separate company, Quixel was acquired by Epic Games in 2019 and is built into Unreal Engine 5 as a default feature, making it easy to import high-quality assets. Now let's learn how to use the Quixel Bridge. First, launch Unreal Engine and create a project. There are two main ways to open the Quixel Bridge built into Unreal Engine. The first way is to select Window, Quixel Bridge from the top menu bar. The second method is to right-click on the content browser and select Add Quixel Content. After Quixel Bridge is launched, log into your Epic Games account by clicking the button in the upper right corner. If you look at the bridge window after logging in, you can see a list of assets divided by type on the far left. The assets provided by the Quixel Bridge are created using object scan technology and are of very high quality and are called Megascan assets. The list includes categories such as 3D assets, 3D plants, materials for expressing the surface of objects, and decals. If you select a 3D asset here, it is also divided into buildings, food, historical objects, interiors, nature, etc. to make it easy to find the objects you need. Here you can find the object you need and select it, and the selected object will be displayed in the right screen layout. Here we give the approximate size of this object. And you can determine the quality of the object from the quality drop-down at the bottom. If you want to use the non-IT features of Unreal Engine 5 to create high-quality games, you can choose non-IT quality. Select a quality and click the download button next to it to start downloading the asset. If you choose a high quality, it will take a little time to download. After the asset has finished downloading, click the Add button next to the Download button. The downloaded assets will then be imported into the currently running project. If you close the bridge window and go back, the assets are imported in the Megascans 3D assets path in the content folder. If you drag this asset to place it in the level, you can see that the high quality asset is well placed in the level. In a normal game, in order to achieve high quality and maintain game performance, various techniques are used, such as reducing the number of polygons and using normal maps. However, in Unreal Engine 5, we use a technique called non-IT geometry to loosen the polygon count limit considerably. So, if you change the viewport setting to wireframe, you can see the object being expressed using a huge number of polygons. And this time, if you change to non-IT visualization triangle, you can see that this object has non-IT technology applied. In this way, Epic Games is providing high-quality assets for free with the goal of making AAA quality games indie. You can also try creating your own AAA game using these high-quality assets. In this video, we learned about the Quixel Bridge and MegaScan assets built into Unreal Engine, and how to import Megascan assets into Unreal project. This video was produced with the donate and watching of viewers. It was Ver's Game Development YouTube. Thank you.